Hello friends, welcome to this channel. So friends, today I will know about how to learn and how to speak English language from your daily basis. What do you do in daily? Suppose that many people who want to learn English language, but some are issue. That's why he is not capable to learn English language and they do not speak English language and they want to speak but as he want to start speak English language, so they stop. Reason is little bit practice. So how to do practice? So we should start like what do you do daily? Suppose that yesterday I went to market with my friends and yesterday I am very happy. I was very happy and lots of are things about because I needs these things and uh, yesterday I did started to exercise because a very long time I have been not to do exercise. That's why yesterday I am doing exercise because it is benefit our body. And what do you do? Talk in yourself. So you can talk about your childhood and what did you do in childhood time and you can talk about what is your hobby. So things are several topics are available, so you can talk about and you can increase your English communication skills because it is very important in present time. That's why I do practice daily. Practice is most important. Suppose that uh, do you watch cricket? So you can watch cricket and all cricketer are says practice. What is your key success? So many cricketer are says only practice is most important in our life. So everything are every places practice and you are preparing any examination, so practice. Without practice, how to crack any examination like writing practice or so all things are practice. That's why if you want to learn English, so practice is more important. So first of all, you should start practice from basic sentences like what do you do in your daily life. So you can make a routine and try to practice front of phone. So this type of process follow 1 month regular, so your English fluency is day by day changing. Like in present time, so I started initial days, so my confidence level is very low. But present time, I am able to speak in front of phone. Reason is I am practicing daily basis. So you can practice daily and you can improve your English communication skills. So friends, thank you watching the complete video.